thirikari ya bururi wa Amerika niiraniire kwarahura urimi wa Benko kana pyrethrum guku bururi-ini ni kuringana na ambassador wa bururi wa Amerika guku bururi-ini niwe uikaine ta Meg Whitman uria uugite ati thirikari ya bururi uyu rungu rwa gikundi kia usaid niigithitie ni ukorwo ikiga muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3 cia kwarahura urimi uyu wa Benko toria wambui wa mwaura aratariria.
Thirikari ya bururi wa US kugerera gikundi kia usaid ni iraniire guteithiriria hari ukuriukia urimi wa Benko guku bururi-ini.
Embassy of the United States, I want to say we are committed to seeing Kenya succeed in transformation. To as many U.S. business media outlets recently called to attention, particularly Bloomberg. Bloomberg just wrote an article, Why Kenya is Poised to be the Singapore of Africa.
Ni kuringana na ambassador wa bururi wa US, Meg Whitman, uria uugite ati muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3 nicio cigitwo mubango-ini uyu.
And I am here today to reaffirm that commitment. As the President also said in his remarks, the factory that we are breaking ground on today will support roughly 90,000 smallholder farmers spread across many counties. The U.S. government, through the U.S. International Development Finance Corporation, has committed $10 million to fund the construction of this facility.
Akiari hede ya uruguria wa waki wa kiganda kia Kentegira muciini wa Naivasha, Whitman augite ati kiganda giki kiria giatanyitwo gwakwo ni gikuguna makiria ma arimi 90,000 a mumero uyu wa guku bururi-ini.
Total, through our additional support to Kentegra from the U.S. Agency for International Development to expand Kentegra's farmer base, the U.S. government has invested almost $12 million in helping Kentegra relaunch most dominant pyrethrum industry, and we couldn't be more pleased to be able to do it.
Mwenini wake, Gavana wa kaunti eno ya Nakuru, Susan Keka, akigathiriria mpango uyu na kuga ati ni ukuteithia na njira nene arimi anini, akiranira wihe wa thirikari yake wa guteithia kwarahura urimi uyu.
Thank Kentegra for choosing Nakuru County as the home to domicile a factory that will help our pyrethrum farmers and 10 youths who will secure employment. In addition to the very many farmers, I've heard the number of 90,000 smallholder farmers. That's amazing. That's actually, I think, what I would call revolutionary.
Wesley Rotit, uria ni gavana wa kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet, na uria uma hamwe kirugurio-ini giki, agithingata kambuni ya Kentegra guthingisira thogora wa iguru wa mbegu cia mimera eno, akinyitwo mbaru ni Susan Kihika.
We want you to request you to support our team in Kentegra. We really appreciate this because this one will even boost the morale of farmers. Today we announced that they are doing a bigger factory. Farmers will even do it much better.
Face challenges, and with especially it's been inadequate funding, inadequate plant materials.
Thank you muno wambui ni ro wa rifutio tugithie ati